Hello everyone, today is dessert time. I'm gonna show you how you can make easy but delicious dessert with chocolate mousse, caramel jelly, orange gel and sour cream ice cream at home. So I hope you're gonna like it and let's do it. I start with caramel jelly. So first, I put my gelatin inside the cold water and then mix sugar and honey inside the pot and make brown caramel. I'm gonna leave full recipes in description down below so you can check it out. Then I put double cream in and melt the caramel. And now I mix hot caramel with egg yolks. Put gelatin in and cook it until I reach 80 degrees Celsius. Last step is to put caramel inside the mold and leave it to set inside the fridge. Next thing I have to do is orange gel with cardamom. So I put 500 ml of orange juice inside the pot. Also put around 20 pieces of dry cardamom in and bring it to boil. When juice is boiling, I put 5 grams of agar in and cook everything for few minutes. Then pass it through the chinois and leave it inside the fridge to set. And after few hours, you can mix it with blender and easy orange gel is done. Now it's time to start with the chocolate mousse. So I put gelatin leaves inside the water and then whip my double cream and keep it inside the fridge. Next I put my chocolate on bain-marie to melt it slowly, and inside the another pot I mix sugar and water and I'm gonna cook it until I reach around 115 degrees Celsius. And I'm gonna keep whisking until the egg yolks will be cold again. Then I put melted chocolate and gelatin in and mix it properly. And last thing is coming in whipped cream, carefully mixed. And I'm gonna put the mousse on top of the caramel jelly and leave it to set inside the fridge. And because I wanna get something crispy inside as well, I'm gonna do easy cacao chips. So I mix butter, sugar, flour and cacao powder in the machine first. then I'm gonna roll it thin on baking paper. Cook it for around 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Leave it to cool it down and cacao chips is done. And at this time is my mousse cake set. So I will take it out of the mold and cut my portions. I will do 2 shapes because I wanna do 2 platings. The second one you can see like always on my Patreon page. My sour cream ice cream is getting ready as well. If you wanna learn how to do it, you can check out my last video. And the last thing I have to do is to cut few orange segments and I will be ready for the plating. I start with my orange puree with cardamom on the bottom. Then is coming mousse and caramel cake. Few fresh orange segments. Some cacao chips. Fresh lemon balm. And finish it with super smooth sour cream ice cream. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you would like to learn more about fine dining cooking or get my one-on-one online coaching, check out the links in the description down below. And that's everything for today. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.